Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to connect two PCs to a router through a switch using Cisco Packet Tracer. First, let's start by adding the devices. Go to the router section and drag one router into the workspace. Then go to switches and choose a switch. Next, we need to add two PCs. Go to End Devices, then drag and drop two PCs onto the workspace. Now it's time to connect the PCs to the switch. Select the copper straight-through cable. Click on the first PC, choose Fast Ethernet 0, then click on the switch and select one of its Fast Ethernet ports. Do the same for the second PC using another switch port. Once that's done, let's connect the switch to the router. Again, use the copper straight-through cable, click on the switch, choose an available port, and connect it to the router. Now that the devices are connected, let's configure the router. Double-click the router, go to the Config tab, and select Fast Ethernet. First, check the box to turn on the interface. Then, assign an IP address, for example, 192.168.1.1. The subnet mask will autofill. Next, let's configure the PCs. Double-click on the first PC, go to the Config tab, then to Fast Ethernet. Use the router's IP, 192.168.1.1, as the default gateway. Set a unique IP address, like 192.168.1.2. Repeat the same steps for the second PC, assigning it a different IP address, and again, set the default gateway to 192.168.1.1. Finally, let's test the connection. On the second PC, go to the Desktop tab, open Command Prompt and type ping, and put the IP. As you can see, the ping is successful, which means the connection is working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.